While mini projectors are compact in size, they're almost identical to a full-size projector in terms of sharpness, picture quality, and brightness. However, finding a decent one can be quite challenging as there are lots of them out there. Gammabai Joy Mini is a sleek-looking projection box that's just filled with perks. We got the fortune to get our hands on one of these, and we will be unboxing, testing, and reviewing it to see whether it's up to the mark. So, without further chatter, let's pop open the box. The interior of the box is well protected with a styrofoam shell, and just beneath it, we have the projector itself wrapped up in a white cover. We also have an instruction manual, an HDMI cable, a power cable, a remote, a warranty card, and a splitter cable for audio connectivity. And that's pretty much it. Design-wise, Gammabai Joy Mini has a basket-like appearance that's pretty small and compact. Now that we're complaining about it, it sure seems quite portable and handy. The front has a projection lens coupled with subtle Gammabai branding, while on the right, we get to see a speaker cutout followed by the power port. On the back, we have a handful of connectivity options including a USB port, headphone jack, AV port, HDMI, and an IR port. And on the left, we have an additional speaker vent. The top, however, houses the focus slider followed by screen adjustment and power and reset buttons right behind it. Now this is a 720p projector that also supports full HD projections. It can get as bright as 120 ANSI lumens, where you can cast a screen ranging between 34 to up to 150 inches. To get the best viewing experience, Gammabai recommends placing it at a 2.5 meter distance from the projection surface. Surprisingly, it even has a 4-point keystone correction feature that enables us to adjust the corner, while the digital zoom function lets us reduce or broaden the image from 50% to up to 100% size. Talking about the viewing experience, Gammabai Joy Mini did not disappoint us. The entire thing was quite effortless to set up, and we had a great time watching Netflix on a much bigger screen. It was bright enough to be seen clearly, while the colors appeared decent and sharp. And, thanks to the 5G wireless and Bluetooth connectivity, we were able to pair it up with a smartphone and catch the screen on it as well. Weighing only about 3 pounds, this fun-sized project was effortless to carry, which further increases its potential to be used anywhere. At this price range, there isn't much to complain about the Joy Mini, as the benefits certainly weigh more. For a portable mini projector, it's quite capable and is a solid entertainment machine. I mean, why invest in an expensive display when this portable projector can get the job done for you? So, that was all about the Gammabai Joy Mini. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.